Hi everybody, happy Feel Good Friday. Today I have for you a 15-minute yoga for flexibility practice. So grab any yoga props that you have and let's get started. If you have a yoga wheel, we're gonna play with that for starters today. For those of you that have a yoga wheel, go ahead and put that yoga wheel, on your mat and just put it underneath your lower back. Shoulder blades down the back and gently roll onto your wheel. Give me a couple good rolls here. For those of you who don't have a yoga wheel, that is okay. Go ahead and just meet me on your back in Supta Baddha Konasana. So you're here. So those are your two options. I'm gonna go ahead and get back on my wheel and just begin to center in. Breathe. Option if you have a yoga wheel to just hold it or rock back and forth. If you don't have a yoga wheel, I highly suggest you invest in one. They're very affordable and they help with flexibility in your back so much. One more breath. Inhale. If you're on a yoga wheel, gently come back down. Bring your head up. If you're still in Supta Baddha Konasana, I'll meet you there. A couple more breaths here in Supta Baddha Konasana. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Take the hands on the outsides of your thighs and gently close those thighs. Windshield wiper the knees from left to right. Okay, from here, everyone should be flat on your back on your mats. Bring your legs out straight ahead and just take a second here. Like I said, we're working on building flexibility. That's building flexibility everywhere in the body. Bring your knees into your chest. Rock right to left. Still giving that lower back a nice massage. Lower the left leg. Keep the right knee into your chest. Hug it a little bit tighter. An option here to have a strap close by. And to roll out that ankle to the right. And to the left. Find stillness. Bring that right leg straight up. Here, I'm using my strap today because I really want to get a nice hamstring stretch. Take that strap underneath. You'll remember we did this last week. We're bringing this back because this stretch helps with flexibility so much. Again, setting yourself up and bringing those elbows down to the mat. Breathe. Exhale, gently take that leg out to the side. Remember, we're not gripping tight onto that strap or our calf muscle or our thigh. Wherever you are, just have a nice gentle grip, nothing too harsh. Exhale, bring that leg back up. So it's through center. Now take that leg over to the left. Supported supine twist with the leg straight. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Inhale here. Exhale, bring that leg back through center. Bend the knee. Gently release that leg. Shake it out. Other side right away. Bring the left knee into your chest. Roll out that ankle. And reverse. Find stillness. Now, if you're not working with a strap, I'll show you on this side. I want that leg to go as straight as it'll go. Sometimes our hamstrings, one side is looser than the other. The goal is to get them equal together. So you can either grab here behind your thigh or grab behind the calf muscle if your head will stay on the mat. No reaching up. This is nice and restorative today, so I just want you to relax. If you're working with the strap, again, put that strap right underneath. Also, if you don't have a strap, I highly recommend you get a strap. This is good for any workouts, any cool downs or stretches that you have, and it's just something that you can have around the house, you know, even when you're not working out and you just want to get a nice stretch. Check in with yourself and make sure you're not gripping too tight. Just relax. Allow the hamstrings to just melt. Inhale. Exhale. Take that strap if you have it both into the left hand and just let that left leg kind of sit out. Couple breaths here. Inhale. Exhale, bring that leg back through center. Reset. Inhale. Exhale, take it over to the right. Keeping both of your shoulder blades onto the mat. Turn your head, close your eyes, or have a soft gaze.
Can't help the way I'm feeling. Can't help the rhythms. I just don't like the sound.
Inhale. Exhale, twist deeper. you have it. And straighten that leg. Shake it out for a second. Take a deep inhale, bring your arms up over your head. Exhale, bring it up. Nice. Okay, now we're going to turn around. We're going to get into working our splits. When I'm working on my splits and the flexibility here, I like to use a Pilates ball. If you don't have a ball, a block works great, okay? Let's get started first in a half split. So let's set ourselves up. Go ahead and come onto all fours. Meet me in a downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, come on up to downward facing dog. Bring your right leg high. And step it through. Drop that left knee down. Okay, now tuck the back toes and just sit back into your half split. Option to have your foot flat here. I find it nice and gentle to have the toes tucked. Everyone's body is different. So here's option one. You can stay here, continuing to work those hamstrings to work flexibility and getting your splits. Option two, if you're working your splits or if you have them, go ahead and slide into your split on the right side. Again, I said option two, have a block on whatever setting it needs to be, or if you have a Pilates ball, I find it easier because the ball is more flexible. And sit up tall. Option to come down onto the palms, but keep that chest lifted. A couple more breaths here. This gets intense. Inhale. Exhale. Release whatever prop is helping you with your full split, or slide back into your half split. Inhale, stomp that right foot down. Bring your hands on the inside and bring that leg back. Come into a child's pose for just a second. And bring it up. Other side right away. Tuck the toes on an inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg up. Bring it through. Lower that right knee. Tuck the right toes. Come back into a half split. Again, this is option one. You can stay here. You can feel a pretty intense stretch here. Just in half split. Option to grab that ball or the block if you're going to come up into a full split. So when you're ready, let's go. Full split here, ball or block. Your block can be on whichever setting you need it to be. This is a bit intense, so I would say stick to a medium or low setting. Hold this stretch. Chest up. Also, option to have your blocks if you don't want to press the fingertips into the mat. Breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. All right. Tuck the back toes. Release that prop if you have it. Slide back into your half split if you went to the full split. And just stay here for a second. Inhale. And exhale, stomp that left foot down. Both hands go on the inside of the left foot. And bring it back. Child's pose. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, bring your knees together. All right, we made it. 15 minutes. We are going to end this class here. I'm going to wish you a happy, lovely weekend. We're finishing this with a toe stretch. Toe stretch is here. This is going to get really intense, okay? So just go ahead and bring your hands to prayer. So the focus here is to stay on those toes. This is giving your toes a nice stretch, your arches, everything. Keep the knees glued together. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Bring your thumbs to third eye. I'm wishing you a wonderful weekend of happiness, joy, and of course, good health. Namaste. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out today's yoga practice. If you are enjoying my workout videos and want to see more, make sure you are clicking the videos. I have a ton of workouts. I have a lot more to come. Don't forget to leave me a comment also and let me know what your favorite workout is so that I can incorporate it in my program. Until next time, I'll see you next week.